Hello everyone, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We are continue to talk about tense in the Kyrgyz language. In the previous video we talked about the present tense. In this video we will talk about the past tense or ötkonchak. Let's start. In the Kyrgyz language the past tense has 4 different types. They are айқын ötkonchak, past definite tense, белгисиз ötkonchak, past indefinite tense, капыскы ötkonchak, unexpected past tense, adat ötkonchak, past habitual tense. In this video, we will talk about the two most commonly used types, the past definite tense, айқын ötkonchak, and the past indefinite tense, белгисиz ötkonchak. The past definite tense is used to describe an event that occurred in the present past. In other words, the speaker knows the exact time of the event or action. For example, men тоого бардым. I went to the mountain. Sen семинарға қатыштың. You participated in the workshop. Ал айылдан келди. He came from the village. As you can see from those examples, to construct a sentence in the past definite tense, we add the tense ending d for verbs that end with a vowel or a voiced consonant, and t for unvoiced consonant. Please note that the second letter of this ending can change according to the law of harmony to be d, du, du, t, tu, or tu. Finally, after that we add the personal ending. Let's see some other examples. Мен эрте менен мектепке бардым. I walked to school this morning. Асан түштө манты жеди. Асан ate манты for dinner. Жылдыз кече достору менен көрүштү. Жылдыз saw her friends yesterday. Now, let's talk about the past indefinite tense. The past indefinite tense is used to express a past action in general without pointing out the exact time of the event. In other words, we use it when the exact time is not important or when the event took place a long time ago. For example, мен бул китепти окуганмын. I have read this book. Сен былтыр Ошко баргансың. You visited Osh last year. Ал мектепти бүткөн. She finished school. The past indefinite tense is constructed by adding the ending ran to the end of a verb if it ends in a vowel or a voiced consonant, and kan if it ends in an unvoiced consonant. The second letter of this ending can change according to the law of harmony to forms such as gon, yen, kon, and ken. Lastly, after that we add the personal ending. Let's see some other examples. Мен бул тасманы көргөнмүн. I have seen this movie. Сен лагман жегенсиң. You have tried лагман. Биз концертке барганбыз. We have been to a concert. In the previous video, when we talk about the present tense, we discussed how to create negative and question forms. A very similar structure applies to creating the negative and question forms in the past definite tense and in the past indefinite tense. To negate the sentence, we use the word ms, which means not, after the main verb. Instead of adding personal endings to the verb, we add them to the word ms. Let's negate the sentences above. Мен бул тасманы көргөн эмесмин. I haven't seen this movie. Сен эч качан лагман жеген эмессиң. You have never tried лагман. Биз концертке барган эмеспиз. We haven't been to a concert. To create the question form, we just add the question ending b to the end of the sentence. This ending can change according to the law of harmony to forms like bi, bu, bu. Now, let's create questions from the sentences above. Мен бул тасманы көргөнмүнбү? Have I seen this movie? Сен лагман жегенсиңби? Have you ever tried лагман? Биз концертке барганбызбы? Have we been to a concert? Lastly, let's learn some words and phrases that go with the past tense. First, let's see some adverbs related to the past definite tense. Geçe, yesterday. Ertemenin, in this morning. Geçe gündü, last night. Azrele, just now. And now, let's talk about adverbs related to the past indefinite tense. Былтыр, last year. Өткен жұмада, last week. Өткен айда, last month. Өткен жылы, last year. In the Kyrgyz language, the translation of ego is murun. We add it after saying a certain amount of time. For example, 2 gün murun, 2 days ago. 3 cuma murun, 3 weeks ago. 2 ay murun, 2 months ago. 1 yıl murun, 1 year ago. Today, we introduce the past tense. In the next video, we will continue exploring other interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. So please, subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Görüşкенче.